lifting the weight off, understanding, monkey off my back. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language and idioms. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a very interesting phrase, monkey off my back. If you've ever felt a huge relief after getting rid of a long-standing problem or burden, then you're definitely going to relate to this one. Stick around as we explore its origins, meaning, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. The phrase, monkey off my back, is an idiom used to describe the feeling of relief experienced after getting rid of a major problem, worry, or responsibility that has been troubling someone for a long time. Imagine carrying a heavy weight on your shoulders for days, weeks, or even years, and then suddenly, it's gone. That's the kind of relief we're talking about. While the exact origins of the phrase are a bit murky, it's widely believed to have gained popularity in the early to mid-20th century. The monkey, in this context, is symbolic of a burden or an addiction, with some references linking it specifically to the heavy burden of drug addiction. Over time, its usage broadened to encompass any type of persistent problem or responsibility. Now, let's look at how you can incorporate monkey off my back into your own conversations. Here are a few examples. 1. Finally paying off my student loans feels like I've got that monkey off my back. 2. He looks so much happier now that he's quit his job. It's like he's got that monkey off his back. 3. Completing the project on time was a huge monkey off my back. As you can see, the phrase can be adapted to various situations where a significant burden has been lifted. If you're keen on expanding your idiom repertoire, there are several other expressions that convey a similar sentiment. For instance, a weight off my shoulders, to breathe easier, to be out from under. Each of these can be used to express relief from a burden, though the monkey off my back idiom adds a unique flavor to the sentiment. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, monkey off my back. We hope this video not only enriches your understanding of English idioms but also inspires you to share your own experiences of overcoming burdens and challenges. Remember, language is not just about communication. It's about connecting with others through shared experiences. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the English language. Until next time, keep learning and keep sharing.